So for Muslim law, from Unit 5, there is another concept which we have that we will be discussing. Okay, it is basically a legislation that we have, Family Courts Act 1984. Okay, with regard to scope or applicability of this legislation, as of now, it is applicable to the whole of India, but it was previously not applicable to Jammu and Kashmir. Now, under this Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act, it's applied to the union, both the union territories, Jammu and Kashmir as well as Ladakh. So this application part is given under this preliminary thing only, and these objectives are being mentioned in preamble. Okay, so these are the three objectives. Then we have application of this legislation.